Today is Friday, April 4 and also the first day of the Makina Moto Expo. Tara, punta tayo, samahan niyo ako. Yung entrance ko courtesy of Moto Market. Shoutout to them. Salamat Moto Market. Makina Moto Expo is a 3-day event here in SMX MOA starting April 4 to April 7. Let's go! Quick tour tayo. So, upon entering dito sa Moto Expo, bubukat kagad sa'yo yung booth ng Suzuki. So, yun, may video. From Suzuki, left side is Ducati. Then from the right side, I think this is the MV Agusta. So, tara, let's try right side muna. So, I can show you inside the Moto Expo. Mabilisang tour lang to. So, we have Moto or the MV Agusta booth. And then of course, we have the Paraclo. Then we have the KTM from the other side. So I think the 3 new bikes from them is going to be announced today. You have the Patosai PH. Then at the back we have the Freedcon. Then the Automoto Sports. So siyempre of course, CF Moto is already here. Nasa right side tong mga to. Then we have the Kobe, the Euro Grip. Then if we're going towards the left side, let's see. FTR and NHK helmets. Then at the back is the Dunlop tires. Bendix brakes, the ID, racing chain. Some tires from Shifa motorcycle tires and tubes. And also, siyempre hindi mawawala, SEC Moto Supply, Moto accessories or Moto Ads, ACGS. Then if we're starting here in the front towards left side, pakita ko lang, no? Ito yung upon entrance mo dito sa SMX. This is on left side. So left side is Suzuki. Sinasabi ko, upon entrance mo dyan, there's a Suzuki booth. Makikita mo. Then if you go left towards Suzuki booth, there's the Ducati. Then next to Ducati is Kawasaki, then the Honda. So malaki. This is a really big event and running for 3 days till Sunday. So marami tayong araw para mag-check and magtingin ng mga new bikes. Kasi I've heard there's a lot of big brands that launching their new bikes. So may mga bagong models silang ila-launch today. And I think for the whole 3-day event, yan, magla-launch sila ng mga new bikes from the motorcycle brands na sinusundan natin. Honda, I think KTM will be having, also the Triumph will be having a new bike. So I think i-release nila dito yan sa Makina Moto Show. So ikot tayo, no? So I think Kawasaki, meron din silang i-release. So may mga nakatago pang mga bikes. So I think 3 bikes. Of course Honda, I think Honda was already released a new bike. Madaming tao. Hinihintay ko rin to eh. I'm not sure if it's really true. The ADV 350 kung meron nga. Let's see. Let's see. So, totoo ba? Totoo ba ang chismis? It is the ADV 350 nga ba? Tingnan natin. Honda has already released their new bikes. So, ADV 350. So, meron na tayong ADV 350 dito sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, it is a scooter and an adventure type scooter. Ang galing, ang ganda guys. Maganda to for the consumers. If you're looking for a new bike this year, medyo marami na naman kayong option na pagpipilian. And if you're into the scooter and meet the size scooter, ito na. ADV 350 from Honda is just released today here in the Philippines in Makina Moto Show. Well, I'm not sure kung in-announce na rin yung price, but I think meron yata. So, ito yung specs, no? Tukan ko lang saglit, then I will pause it for 2 seconds to check nyo. So, black and red yung nirelease ngayon sa Makina Moto Show. Grabe, meron na naman bago ang Honda. And it's good, no? Kasi marami na naman tayong option na pagpipilian. It's good for the consumers. Healthy ang motorcycle industry natin ngayon, no? Hindi nyo ko lang yung tour natin. So, besides the Honda, Harley Davidson is here.
The wheels of tuning. So what is AK? So basically, everything is the same. So what are
Besides
the big
Harley
differences?
Davidson,
Number one
Kimco
is the structure of this model. This is more muscular
So, I think,
now.
they're,
This is more streamlined
releasing a new bike.
compared to the other two AKs, the first AK and the AK Premium. 51 horsepower, having a dual cylinder,
the new
double
model
overhead
AK
pump, 8 valve engine,
575 na.
liquid cooled.
So,
Can
hindi
you
na
imagine
550.
51 horsepower? The nearest competition, buti na lang wala sila dito. Their highest horsepower is around 48. So can you imagine this one having a 51 horsepower? How powerful?
Nandito rin ang bell. So, ayun o, astig ng bell, oh. I think carbon fiber siya. So, runway, full runway.
The advanced intelligent braking system somehow, when the motorcycle
Scooter Depot, nandito din.
more than the provided speed and the weight.
Bristol Motorcycle is here.
Intelligent
I think dito natin makikita yung Sondes 400G. I'm not sure kung na-release na nila, but tignan natin, no? Tignan natin itong Bristol.
height, one of the lowest height in the market today when it comes to
Yep, inside the Bristol is Sontes. So, I think ito yung maraming naghahanap, no? Kasi it is a new bike. Ito na, nandito na nga. Check natin, no? They have the Sontes 400E. Yan. The 400M, ito, in green. Also present din dito yung adventure bike ng Sontes. Good day. Ay, ito na, no? Yung maraming nagtatanong at naghahanap. The Sontes 400G. So, their scooter adventure bike. Ito na. From what I heard, no, yung unang batch nito as in na sold out kagad paglabas. So I think kung may mga gustong bumili to is you will be in their waiting list. So yan. Ganda. Ganda ng bike. Ganda ng bike. Mukha pa lang, alam mo ng pang-adventure, pang light trail.
Yung sa ano yata yun, yung sa isa, ayun,
Hindi siya ganun nakaka-intimidate kasi malaki naman ang scooter pero hindi siya ganun intimidating. So, ito tayo. 5'8", medyo tintiyan ng konti. Nakasakay ako ngayon sa Sontes 400G. Okay naman, hindi naman ganun kapigat, hindi rin siya ganun kalaki. I think parang nalilitan pa nga ako sa segment niyang 400 na adventure scooter, pero it is what it is. Pagkakaalaman yan pag tinest drive natin, pero but the bike is really on the first look at it, bago sa paningin eh. So sana magkaroon tayo ng opportunity na ma-test drive to. Pero ganda ng clean yung dashboard. Mukha talaga siyang pang-adventure na bike na on a scooter. So yun. HJC. So expected na natin yan, madaming pila talaga yan, no?
Tapos dito na naman kayo, pairing na naman.
For sure, kasi yung mga helmet nila, and you know, HTC is really good brand and one of the known brand regarding sa helmet, no? Dragon helmet from LS2, full face helmet. Dito lang yan, no? Nirelease lang dito sa Motorrad. So not yet ready to purchase, pero stay tuned lang tayo sa page nila. Like, for sure mag-a-announce sila na kailan available sa atin yan. So we're here at the Royal Enfield booth. So meron din silang bagong bike, no? I think they will be releasing the new bike here sa Makina Moto Show. Check lang natin ng mabilis. So alam naman natin, we're waiting, or for those who wait sa Bear 650, I think i-release nila to dito. So as the look of it, there's a flag that said Bear 650. So check natin later for their release sa Bear 650. For a first day, grabe ang daming nirelease na new bikes. Sana guys, makapunta kayo, for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys, try ko pumalik ng Sunday. Once again, this is Full Tank Motovlog. Enjoy the ride, stay safe out there, and ride safe. Bye for now.